G'day folks, this is the belt drive arrangement on my Hercus PC200 small CNC lathe. This gives me 3000 or 1000 RPM. I have a tapping job coming up which I would like to get some more torque from the motor because I'll be tapping at 600 RPM. While we're here, take note of the position of that adjusting handle because I'll be using it but you won't be able to see it. This video is about me trying to find a belt pulley combination which will give me 2000 RPM. This is the standard setup and you can see there's not actually a lot of room there to enable you to get the belt on. Now the belt's off and this is the full range of adjustment that we have on the motor. I'm hoping to use a 24 tooth pulley with a 285 long belt, so I printed a pulley. I drew it up first of course, then I printed it and tried it in place. Here the adjustment is bottoming out and the belt is still loose. Long time ago I printed up a 25 tooth pulley, so I thought I'd give that a try. It seems to be bottoming out, but I'll try and adjust it and tighten it up and see how it goes. That is looking pretty close. Here I'm just seeing if I can actually adjust the thing and get it tight. So if I can't get the torque I need at 3000 RPM, maybe 2080 will do the job. Because I really don't want to have to slow the lathe down to 1000 to get the tapping done. Of course this may all be pie in the sky, but I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments what you think of the idea. This is a 20 tooth pulley that I use with a 270 belt. That gives me 1666 RPM.